woke up. As you can see, I'm trying not to show my whole face because I look like I just woke up. I'm gonna do a week in my life because I don't know. I've never done this, and I got some internship stuff this week and gonna be working out a lot, eating good, and yeah, I was just gonna kind of document that. So right now I'm just chilling in bed and I'm probably gonna watch a Star Wars movie. I just made my bed. Doesn't she look so comfy? And I put on gym clothes. So I just got back from the gym. Look how cute. And I'm gonna shower. Oh, hi. Hi. So I shower and then I eat. And then I'm going to go to my school's campus, my college campus, and then go to a coffee shop to do some assignments that I've been putting off. Okay, so I just got ready. I put mascara on and a sweatshirt and sweatpants. So yeah, I'm going to my college campus right now. Well, about to get in my car. Looking like this. I'm a senior, so I really don't care what I look like. I've never really cared what I look like while I'm on campus, but yeah. So I just got home. I love being home. My meeting didn't last long because I needed to make an appointment for tomorrow. Actually, they were super busy today and it just made more sense. I'm gonna be on campus tomorrow anyways for an orientation class, and so I got to make it to the coffee shop and I got a chai, my favorite thing ever. Yeah, so I'm gonna sit here and do some resume stuff, cover letter stuff. I'm registering for a job fair, so I have to have all that stuff in, and yeah, so it's not like too hard of work. It's just a little stressful. Okay, so I forgot to show what I had for dinner, but I had this right here, shrimp fried rice. It was really good. Really good. First time I've ever made it before. I will see you guys bright and early. It is day 2. It's Tuesday, January 22nd. The part 1 of my orientation to my internship. It is 3 hours long today, from 9 to 12. So I need to like pack a lunch so I don't like spend money on campus. And I'm probably not gonna have time to eat breakfast, which really sucks. I have been eating breakfast like every morning and I've noticed a difference in my day and just like my appetite compared to when I don't eat breakfast, and I'm like super hungry and cranky and just like still tired. But when I eat breakfast, it kind of like gets my day going. So really quickly, this is my outfit. We have to dress somewhat professionally. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs, make breakfast, and pack a lunch. I'm gonna eat this really fast before I have to go. And I packed a sandwich. This is my best friend Vanessa. Look how cute she is.
Oh my god, I'm glowing.
You are.
Oh my gosh. Do you have a tripod?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Just got home from my orientation part 1. It was only like 2 hours, which was supposed to be like 3, so that was nice. I'm just gonna spend these last few days of not having anything to do, because soon I'll have something to do from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day. So today I will just relax again. It's basically like what this week's gonna be, is me just really soaking in my last bit of freedom before I basically have a real job without getting paid. If you don't like cats, you won't like my videos. So, I heated up my leftovers. I'm about to go to a workout. I'm in my gym clothes. And I'm gonna go to a Zumba class with one of my friends. For Christmas, my brother gave me this little mini devotional book called 1 Minute with God. It's from Altered State, and basically it's your typical devotional book, except it's a little shorter, and it's very relatable. So one thing I was going to share is that I actually read this at night instead of in the morning. I do that just because I know in the morning I'm usually rushed or gotta get out the door or whatever the case may be. So reading at night makes me really spend time meditating on it and thinking about it and praying. It also helps me remember to be thankful for my day and be grateful for what God gave me that day and be ready for what God has planned for me the next day. It allows me to let everything go and let him handle it all. So yeah, thought I would share that. Time for me to go to bed. It's like 9:30, 10. I'm ready to hit the hay real hard tonight because I'm exhausted. So it is Wednesday, January 23rd, and I am headed to campus for another meeting thing for my internship. That's only an hour, and then after I'm gonna go boxing at noon, and then basically just get everything ready for next week.
Oh my god, I need a favor. I need you to take graduation pictures of me like Friday.
Me?
Just taking like random ones. Like I'm just gonna dress up. I just need like 2 pictures to put on my flyer, because I gotta send off, because my uncle them live in Connecticut and they want their stuff next month. Wow. You love photographer, Sarah. They need to go ahead and sponsor me. Blue Almonds. Like,
what are your goals in life?
My goals in life is to be rich at this point, but I went to school to be a teacher, so it look like a fail right now.
I just made some breakfast. Doesn't look that pretty, but it's 2 eggs and half an avocado. Another day. Another gym class. I'm going boxing. Back from the gym. Time to shower. I am going to pick up a necklace that my boyfriend gave me that got broken. One of the links in the chain like came off. So I took it to the place and they repaired it. So I'm gonna go pick that up, and I'm so excited I can finally have it. Wear it again. This is my get up. I kind of look ridiculous. So let's do a haul. How about that? I got my necklace, so they fixed it. And they actually like polished it and cleaned it, and they did it free of charge. It was just like a little like link in it that needed welding, but I'm surprised that they didn't charge me like 20 bucks, but look how pretty it is now. Yes, I'm so happy. Always wanted a gold cross necklace, but never really found one that I like. Surprisingly, my boyfriend did a really good job of finding one without even asking if I liked it. So good for him. It's so pretty. Antique store that was right next to it. So I got this book. It's Heaven is for Real. They have a movie on it. And so I've never even seen the movie, but I thought I'll read the book first and then maybe like watch the movie. It's a little bent out, but it was $1. And it says on the back that it's usually $16.99. So it's just a little bent. Like, it's not that bad, and it's perfect inside. So I'm really excited to read this. So basically, she messed up and then cut some paper, put it on top, and you can't even tell.
It just be like that sometimes.
We live in the good life.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it is my last day of my orientation to my internship. It's January 24th. It's like 8 a.m. It's kind of weird that this week has gone by this fast already, so. Vanessa and
We're going spinning.
yep, it's only a 30-minute class, but
It's going to be fun.
we might die, but it's
Stay
okay.
tuned for this weight loss.
Yes, we're gonna be doing the water fast next
3 days.
week. Stay
3 days.
tuned. I'm gonna do a video on it, and so is she, because she's gonna make a channel.
Living Linnell. Doo-doo.
Okay, so update. It is now the afternoon. We did our spin class. We came back to my place and showered. We've been chilling, watching TV and stuff, and we have class at 4:30, a seminar class at 4:30 on Thursdays. So it's around 4 o'clock now, and we're gonna run to this restaurant across the street from campus to get some wings really fast because they have half off wings right now. So we're gonna go do that before we go to class. Food, buffalo dip, some hard fried wings. Morning. It is 8:39. I have a boxing class at 9 that I'm trying not to be late to, but I'm in heavy traffic. And then coming home, showering as usual, eating as usual, literally what this whole video has been. And then I have a meeting with a career service specialist on campus at 1. I've just been chilling for like 30 minutes after I got home from boxing. It's 12 o'clock now. I'm going downstairs to make my lunch / breakfast, and then I have my meeting at 1. So I kind of gotta hurry, but I self-tan, so I'm like feeling myself right now. You know, when you put makeup on or self-tan or get your nails done or get your hair colored, eyebrows waxed, whatever it is, eyelash extensions, you really just feel yourself for the rest of the day, and it's a good feeling to glow up a little. Me and one of my friends are going, my roommate actually, we're going to a restaurant nearby. It's like a brewery. So this is my roommate Kelly, by ourselves. It's closed. This isn't illegal.
And we're just chilling in here. Show them
Just
around.
chilling.
Show them. Show them.
So this is like what we're looking at right now.
He's probably watching us from the cameras, just like watching what we're doing.
Our friend actually owns us, so we're just waiting on him. That's it for my week, January 21st through 26th, Monday through Friday, second week of my senior year. I will be doing a vlog of my life next week for a first week of student teaching vlog to just help any of you out there that might be going through student teaching. But yeah, I just got home from a little adventure me and my roommate went on. It was fun. We did like a little like happy hour thing, and then we went to an Italian restaurant to meet up with one of my roommate's friends. Say hi to him if you're watching and you've watched to this point. I really appreciate it, and I encourage you to continue living your best life and being grateful for everything you have. So yeah, I hope everyone has a blessed morning, afternoon, or night, and I'll see you in my next